to the line, feel the fire. Eyes locked on the prize, getting higher. Heart pounding, drums start to play loud. No backing down, standing proud. Face the storm, lift your chin, brace the gale. In the thunder, roll, we prevail. Strength in each heartbeat like a drum. Together we rise, here we come. Rise above the ashes, feel the light.
What if I told you that you could create scroll-stopping professional motion graphics for your YouTube videos completely free, with zero design skills and in just a few clicks? No expensive software, no complicated timelines, no hours wasted fighting with keyframes. Just you, a simple prompt, and a website that does all the heavy lifting for you. If you're building faceless YouTube channels and you've been struggling to make your videos look polished and professional, this video is about to change everything for you. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to generate stunning, high-quality motion graphics in minutes. And I'm giving you the free link, the exact prompt, and every single step. Let's get straight into it.
Let's dive right into the explanation without dragging out the intro. First, we're going to head over to this free website. I'll drop the link below the video so you can follow along and work on it yourselves. So first, we'll click here on Create Free Animation Now with AI, and then we'll go over to ChatGPT and ask it to write us a professional prompt for creating the exact motion graphic we want. Then we'll come back to the website and follow these steps. We'll choose the aspect ratio we want. I'll go with 16:9 here. Then under text to animation, we'll pick engagement mockups or something along those lines, and I'll go with this option here. Then I'll click here and it'll ask you to sign up using your email. I'll go ahead and sign up with my free email and we'll move on to creating our own motion graphic. It's a completely free platform and you can use it to create all kinds of different motion graphics. All you have to do is write a professional prompt using any tool like ChatGPT for your YouTube videos, especially faceless ones.
So after signing up, we'll paste the prompt in again, then select 16:9 here and leave everything else exactly as it is. Then click Find Template. And as you can see, it's generated the motion graphic we asked for. Take a look at this one, for example. Really nice motion graphic. And the best part about this website is that you can fully customize the template however you like. We'll get into that in more detail later on. There's also another great motion graphic here, and this one's good too. So all you have to do is click on this motion graphics option, and here you'll change these details. For example, here we'll type video blueprint, then here we'll write step 1, then here step 2, then step 3, step 4, and so on. After that, click Preview Video, and it'll take a few seconds to render these text changes. As you can see here, Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, exactly as we typed it. Video Blueprint, Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. Then, after that, you click Download Video, and it will download. So once we've downloaded this motion graphic, let's move on to this one as well, a beautiful one. And you click on it to edit it, following the exact same steps. Here, you'll add the title that represents this motion graphic. We'll use the same title again, Video Blueprint. And here too, Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4. Then scroll down and click Preview Video. Same step again. It'll take a few seconds until we get the final result with the changes applied, as you can see. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, then click Download. And again, that'll take a bit of time. So we'll wait for the video to finish downloading completely so we can see the final result. And as you can see, the result is absolutely stunning and in high quality too, exactly as we changed it. Blueprint, Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4, matching the exact steps of the video. After that, right-click here like this, then Save Video As and save it to your computer. Following the same steps, if you'd like, say, this motion graphic as well, click on it to edit the text, same method. We'll edit it the same way, Step 1, Step 2, and so on. Then scroll down and click Preview Video. There are several examples here you can edit, all of which we created using the prompt. Then once the motion graphic is generated, click Download, same process, we'll wait for the video to finish downloading. So once it's done downloading, as you can see here, you can change these elements and this text the same way. Right-click with your mouse, then Save Video As, then click Save.
There are also ready-made templates you can use like text animation, video flowchart, engagement mockup, Google search animation, plenty of options you can rely on and customize. So that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support us for more free videos. And that's it. That's genuinely all it takes to create motion graphics that look like they cost you hundreds of dollars without spending a single cent or opening a single complicated app. If this video saved you time, saved you money, or gave you an idea for your next project, do me a favor. Hit that like button, drop a comment telling me which template you're most excited to try, and subscribe if you haven't already, because this channel is built entirely around helping you create better content, faster, and completely free. More free tools, more free workflows, and more ways to level up your videos are coming very soon. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and keep creating.